Hello, my name is Silvia Mónica Estrada Rivera. I am 28 years old. I am from Putumayo, Colombia. I live in Valle del Guamués. My hobby is to paint. My favorite TV show is Animal Planet. My favorite sport is football. I had a beautiful family. He is my father. His name is Jesus Estrada. He is 64 years old. He is a farmer. He is from Pasto. My father is a great man. He is tall and thin. His skin is white, has gray wavy hair, and green eyes. She is my mother. She is 57 years old. Her name is Maria Rivera. She is from Florencia. She is a housewife. She is short and thin. Has short, straight, and brown hair. Her skin is white. Has brown eyes. She always has a happy expression on her face. I had two brothers. I do not sisters. To the right of the heart is Erwin, and to the left of the heart is Ernest. They are very handsome. This is my brother Ernest. He is a professional soldier in the National Army. He is 26 years old. He is short and thin, has brown hair and brown eyes. My brother is the one who always worries about his work. This is Erwin, my younger brother. He is 19 years old. He lives in Valle del Guamués. He is tall and thin, has brown hair and brown eyes. He wants to study medicine. Erwin can play the drum. He enjoys making music. Thank you.